Alright guys, so today I want to take a look at something I kind of came up with when tightening your collets used to attach accessories to your telescope. I wanted to ensure that they were tight enough, and sometimes when I get arthritis in my hands and stuff, it might be a little bit harder, and I wanted a way to get a little bit better grip, especially when you see this tech turret and you got 5 eyepieces in there. The collets are very nice, but I wanted to ensure that I got a better grip, especially if it's cold or whatever. And so I'll show you what I came up with. So let's take a look at an example here. If we put a eyepiece in this turret, I can get in here pretty decently and turn that, but I want to ensure that it's snug enough. And so what might happen again if it was cold and it kind of stuck, if you've got a turret that or not a turret, but if you've got a collet that tends to stick, what I did is initially I had this, it's like a spongy, it's not really spongy, but it's, the surface is sticky. When I say sticky, it's not tacky sticky, but it's grippy. I guess that's the better word, is it's very grippy. And so one of my thoughts was to cut this like this, and now when you put it over the collet, you can turn it and ensure that it's snug, because it grips not only your hand but the collet. And then when you take it off, you can do the same thing, just like that. And then initially just get it like that, and then turn it. And this works very well. So you can see the texture, and it's a kind of elastic. This is 1 inch wide. I cut it 1 inch wide. It's 5 5/8 long. Could have been a little longer. That's just what I cut it. And it's 1/4 inch thick. And I got this years ago when I was working at a tool and die shop. The shipping department used this. I don't even know why or what they used it for, but I had gotten some, and it works equally as well with a smaller eyepiece. It doesn't matter. And for me, I just like the extra assurance that I've got it snug, tight enough. Then I thought of something else, because you may not have anything that's like this. Like I said, this is really a nice material. I'm not sure what it is. So I thought, well, silicone. You can buy silicone pads, all kinds of silicone products out there. And one of the things I had was, and I don't know where the heck I got this, if it came with something for cooking or something like that, but this is also real nice. But then I didn't want to cut that. Then I thought of something. You know what that is? It's missing a, it actually goes like this when it's in use. And it has a little metal arm, and then it's got another piece of silicone up at the top, so when you pull this off when you're cooking, this is like an egg thing. And I never liked it. I bought a couple of them, and you're supposed to be able to crack your egg, put it in there, and it kind of keeps it maintained. But then when you got to flip it over, I found it was too much of an effort. It would stick to this. I mean, when you took it off, it was still on there, and you'd have to flip the egg. So I didn't really like this. So I ended up throwing out those little arms, but I kept this, and I'm glad I did. Now this is a silicone and material, and it's a very tacky, again, sticky, friction wise, okay, whatever you want to call that. It grips good. And so the beauty of that is you can buy these. You don't have to do any cutting. just take off the handle. It's a good width, and it easily fits over any size eyepiece that's going to be 1.25 inches. And you put that on there like that, and now you've got a nice grip on the collet. And then you've got these 2 to 1.25 inch reducers that have collets on them, and they're all a little bit different. They might be wider, narrower. They even have the cutouts, but this works pretty good that way. But if for some reason it ever got caught, you certainly wouldn't want to put a pliers or anything on there. So you could use this to help aid in loosening it up. Now this one is a little harder because of the narrower ridges. And this one is a little bit thinner. And the beauty of this, they're cheap, they're easily obtainable, they're lightweight, they weigh next to nothing, and you can put this in your accessory box. You can crimple it up, whatever you want to do to get it to fit. Should work really good. I'm happy with this solution for myself.